Wow. Okay, that's interesting. Shibati, which is a cultural site. Here we go. You can have a look down. So Shibati, the old town. Wow, the little hidden things you find. At one point we will tell you what that means. The sun is hitting. It's 40 plus degrees right now in the sun. Off the train and down the escalator. Couldn't film, I had 2 bags to carry. Now we switched. Fee has 2, I have 1, and Sophia has herself and her umbrella. We made it to Chongqing. Here we are. Now we're gonna head towards the exit. We need to find the north exit. Let's see how that is gonna go. Alright, so it doesn't say anything about which is which exit. We have to go through controls first. Okay, this is first things first. Alright, we have to go to the manned there he is. There he is. I'm sure on the sign it says foreigner. For those who can read it, that is. But yeah, we go to him. And we should get through with our passports. See you on the other side. Right. Passport was read and we are out. We have to get even more out than that. Let's see. Let's get all the way out, which is here. So now we need to figure out which is the north exit. They told us to get to the north exit. Doesn't really say much about an exit here. Which is north. So I think I just saw something here which says exit south. If this is south, I conclude this must be north, the opposite side. Now we go there. And it is north. North is good. Let's see if we find somebody holding a sign. I see a sign there, yes. Let's see what we find. And we have, yes, there he is. All right. We are being picked up already. Very good. There is our guide and driver. All right, wonderful, picked up. So, here's the thing. Just told that it takes around 45 minutes to get to our hotel in Chongqing, which is the Mercure, I think. Mercure something, yeah, Jiangfang Bay. I think I'm making this up, but I believe this is the name, Jiangfang Bay. Anyway, so 45 minutes car ride, and then we are ready to explore Chongqing. Today on our own. We have some free time, so we made our own plan. Let's see how this is gonna work. It's gonna be fun. Worst case, we always have a Didi, and then tomorrow we have a full tour booked. So we're gonna do all the big ones, the sightseeing, you know, the train in the building and the shopping mall on the top of the house, on the building, and so on. So yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be very interesting. Promise you that. Right, in the car park. And I think we found our van. There it is. And let's see what we have today. JAC. We just got dropped out of the car. Outside the hotel. Oh, let's see. More or less, the hotel is up there. Look at the shortcut, because the traffic is the traffic. Yeah, right here. Apparently they don't have any place to stop here. And this is our lobby. All right. Yeah. Okay. Room 8312. Let's see what we got here. We do have, ooh, this is a, wow. Okay, that's interesting. You know, when I got into the lobby, I was like, what is that? But now I'm positively, very positively surprised. So I have a, the girls are gonna love that. And a very nice shower actually. Oh wow, this is a very nice room. Okay, now I'm positively surprised and absolutely happy. I mean, we have lots of beds here. I mean, look at that. What a nice room, guys. This is beautiful. They even decorated a bit because we're traveling with a child. Didn't want to say a small one. But hey, how nice is that? I mean, where do you get that stuff? I mean, maybe at Disneyland. Wow. Let's see the view. Okay, we don't talk about the view. We close that. But hey, wow. Come on in, ladies. This is actually a very positive surprise.
Where's my bed?
In the tent, yeah. You sleep. Sophia sleeps in the tent. So this is my bed. This is Mama's bed, and this is Sophia's bed. She has to sleep here. You want to try it out right now? You have to camp in there. It's camping vacation. That was a short 10-minute DD ride from our hotel to get here to Shibati, which is a cultural site. We thought we squeezed it in while we're here. So I turn you around. This is where we are at. So now let's have a look first at the map and see what is there. And when the girls are done, I'm going to show you. Here's as promised the map. So it's your pause moment coming up in 3, 2, 1 for the map and 3, 2, 1 for the information. And now we're just going to ignore the escalator, which brings us down, and do a aerial view first, because I saw there was like a fantastic view from here. Whew, it's sunny, guys. It's like really hot, 35 plus degrees. Here we are. Now, this is Shibati, the cultural town. Lunch. Look. Here we go. Can have a look down. All right. Now let's see. Try to get down there. We can either take the stairs. No, there's not. Is it? Yes, there are. Okay. What do we find here? I'm curious. Well, I guess we just keep walking. Down, down, down. What a city. What a city. As we are making our way down, it's kind of really interesting to see how all this is built up. It's all right on the mountain. So if you have a look here, that is the mountain. The water pressing out. Oh, try to get down. Let's walk. Ooh, we're almost there. Here we go. And we're down. This is where you arrive when you take those escalators, by the way. But we walk. And those are the lanterns we saw from up there, no? Cool. I got one of those sweets, which are not too sweet. It's like this rice thing. Nice. Oh, what's that? Duck? Wonder where this is going. So we are taking a detour. Fee found a sign which said Old Mountain City Residences, which includes us going up some smaller stairs. But I guess could be worth it. Who knows? Let's see. Okay, that is pretty cool. Oh, this is just impressive. Wow, the little hidden things you find when you detour. Most people know, it's all those wishes. Wow, keeps going on. Where is this going? I mean, look at those streets, those little alleyways here. This is so nice. Ah, it comes up here. All right. Gotcha. So we're back. All right, we turn and see if we find the residences. All right, continue where we left before we detoured. See what we find around here. A little shop. How cool is that here? Wow. Also this city you can't escape. The contrast here in this old city, surrounded by those skyscrapers. Unbelievable. Look at those pictures here.
Arriving at the right places where you have the Starbucks and
Yeah, that's true. The touristic area. Yeah, we've been just up there. Okay, a little round. Just gonna try the well. At one point we will tell you what that means. Now we just do it. Here we have the Glory Market. So Shibati, the old town. Very interesting, very cool. See how this is all built into the mountain. Some of the older houses, I'm sure most of it is reconstructed. It's modern but made look old. You have all the brands, you know, coffee and all kind of stuff. So yeah, it's definitely worth the visit. Just come and get lost here. We did twice. But as Fee said, it all leads to the same spot at the end. You get down. The moment you get downhill, you get to the same spot anyway. That said, very nice. Good start. Maybe just cross basically, right? No strings attached. See where we're getting here? I think it ends there. Trying to play your song, but it's not working, unfortunately. We're in this Luckin coffee shop. Had a nice iced coffee. Oh, we actually still have some. Coconut. What was it called? Coconut.
Coconut latte.
Raw coconut latte. This is highly recommended, by the way. Luckin coffee. Raw coconut latte. This is delicious. So now we're gonna continue going down. That's the plan. To this street down there, I would say. Yeah, not working. We take this one. So this place is pretty quiet right now. I guess this only comes to life a bit later. This is tropical temperatures. The sun is hitting. It's 40 plus degrees right now in the sun. Oh, holy moly! I'm telling you, it's hot.